don't necessarily indicate a great process at times. I think what Travis Green has done so far is setting up a team prior to games and making lines. Some of the decisions are made for him because of the injuries right now, and you want Dick down to go on. Some of that gets played out already. But the easy decision is something that's a constant concern.
Well, right now, what hurts compared to, let's say, 2019-20 season, is that year established what the lotto line was. JT Miller was still able to be a guy that moved around and had an impact on different lines. And at this point, that's not the case. Miller had a goal-scoring ability and a playmaking ability with that jump and that energy that you need from the player. I go back to Miller, where he was a player that could move around on nights where the lotto line wasn't working, or on nights where another line needed a jump or double shifts and stuff like that. And that just hasn't been the case. And if it's going to be Hoglander in that role, again, the concern is, as great as the start of the season has been, the point production, the goal scoring, or being in a position to set up goals to win games is not quite there yet. Which is what makes the Garland